We are here in Hoi An. I will in bread with ketchup. Morning from Hoi An. Yesterday we went drinking till around 4. So Karma is still in the hotel and I came out. It's already like 11:30. So I'm going to go check out banh mi and a place to get a coffee. One of the most famous where I wanted to go is closed for 2 days for the festival. Shiba Sakya. I hope the other one isn't closed. Very cool looking Starbucks. Fortunately, I think Starbucks is... I don't know if it works out here. It must be like more expensive than like the normal local cafes, and there are like so many good ones. I'd rather go to those than in any of the chain. Hoi is also known for their like customized tailoring. So they usually make like suits in one day if you give orders. So you can see like there are suits everywhere. I want to get myself a Boston. I kind of will ask like how much do they charge. I want to get one of those. I want to get one of those, but they are charging, I think, too much. I'll check out the other places.
Mesa.
So they told me to come by 5. So let's see. Like they charged me like 500 dirhams, which is around like 2,500 Nepali. I think it's a good price. So yeah, now So let's go get some coffee. My yuzu passion fruit americano. Old town is like an architect's paradise. I mean, every building is like, it looks really cool. You just want to go inside. All the cafes, the shop, the monastery, temples, and oh, I think Karma.
我觉得是那个
Oi, Leo.
啊啊，开车。
Kaisana. Famous herbal. I'm on my way. I'm on my way to try out my burks.
여보.
Full of Kim's uncles and aunties. It's full moon. I don't know if you can see. Today is the lunar Mid-Autumn Festival. I think bling bling. So this like market is more, I think like should be cheaper here generally. I'm lost. I don't remember the place. Finally found it. Hello, xin chào. I get lost, I get confused.
You lost her.
I get lost. I like
Because you know today I'm little busy. You magazine me. I cannot.
no, and then I asked someone where it is, and then this.
You wear for bowl and you working. You feeling first. Little more. More little more. Yes. Standard for feeling how.
Is it a mirror? Looks nice.
Yes.
Good. Shout out.
Yes. I give you một tí hạt
Ah.
have dry already, you can photo dry. Give
but
me more.
I have only like five viewers. Only 5 people watch.
No problem. One more, okay.
5 people will come by.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Kom nam. How to say thank you?
Không nắm.
How to say thank you?
Cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn. Okay. Okay, thank you. Oh, water.
Give you more
Oh,
water.
thank you.
very
Thank you so much.
See you next time.
Yes. Hoi An market. I think it's cheaper out there because it's like a market where it's like Vishal Bazaar. I don't know what do I call it. So today is supposed to be some special stuff. I think so. Full moon festival. I don't know if there's anything different from yesterday. This side there's like more of like the speedboats. So I haven't come this side. Local market. Flatfish, pomfret, sardines. Oh, I wanted these bowls. I wonder how much they cost.
You can put lantern inside.
What this is?
Then you can eat.
Okay, like this. Okay, keep nice. 10 more. Right.
Kiss off, vlogger.
Wait. I think the other side is like mainly. The other side is mainly shops. This area had like a lot of good restaurants. Clogs. It's either my third or fourth coffee for the day. My throat is messed up. Drinking too much ice. Thank you. Oh, my looks khatra. 이런 메tal. Muscles flare.
Một bia lao đôn, một hả mập bằng chiến nữa.